Hey there, it's Greg Catlin here with your Lesson 9 cool down for 8th grade math. And we are looking at this question about printers and ink and comparing a home printer that you purchase versus going to like an office store and having them make copies for you or printing copies for you. And to own and operate a home printer, it's going to cost you $100 just to purchase it. And then when you take into account the cost of ink and paper, you're going to pay about 5 cents per page. And then to print out pages at an office store, you can just go straight up just 25 cents per page when you go there to print things. So we're going to let P represent the number of pages. And so what has happened is we've set up this equation and they want to know what it represents. So let's look at it a little bit closer. The equation says, people are texting me. Sorry, let me turn that off while we're in the video. What does the equation represent? Well, the left side over here represents you spending $100 on a printer and then also adding to that price 5 cents per page that you make a print of. So this would be the fact that you own your own printer and you can print out your own copies. On this side over here, they've set up based on the pages that you're going to pay 25 cents for every page. This would be that you go to the store and you're having them print them out for you and you're just paying a quarter per print. All right, that's what this represents. So, what does it mean that they're equal to each other? So, having these two things equal to each other, since it represents cost, okay, so this would represent the cost of P pages for owning being equal to cost for P pages or P pages um, at the store. So when will the cost of you owning a printer and printing this many pages be the same as you taking it to the store and doing it? How many pages will it take if we solve that? So that kind of leads us to the next part. If setting these equal means that they're going to cost the same, then the solution when you solve this and finding that P is 500, that 500, okay, it takes it takes 500 printed pages for them to cost the same amount. So whether you own it or whether you go to the store, if you do 500 pages, they're going to cost the same. Now, if you start doing more than 500 prints, it's going to be better to own it because you're only paying 5 cents per copy. But it's going to take 500 copy prints for you to actually make up the $100 that you put into owning your own. If you're going to do less than 500 for this job, it's cheaper to go to the store and do it. But if you know that you're going to always be printing stuff and you're going to get over 500, it's going to take 500 prints for you to make up the price of you justifying purchasing that $100 printer. And that's what that means in this lesson. So later, guys.